inventory management system for a retail store. The system testing is the stage of implementation which is aimed at ensuring that the system works efficiently and accurately before live operation commences. System testing requires a test plan that consists of several key activities and steps for program, system, and user acceptance testing. Testing is vital to a success of a system. Indicate testing or non-testing lead to error that may not appear until months later. A small system error can explode into a much larger problem. So we have a white box testing, black box testing, and testing technique. For a white box testing, in the approach, tests are made with an internal working of the product. All the independent paths within a module have been exercised once, executing all the logical decision, executing all the loop within their bound. This approach takes a long time for testing. While for a block box testing is not an alternative approach to white box testing, it is rather a complementary approach. The main focus of the approach is one on the information domain rather than a logical testing. This test ensures that the input is properly accepted and the desired output is produced. This approach has very little regard for the internal logical structure of the software. This approach saves time and energy. And then for a level of testing, we have number one is a unit testing. For the unit testing is a crucial component of the testing process for the inventory management system in a retail store. It focuses on testing individual unit or component of the system in isolation to ensure they function correctly and meet the specified requirement. Unit or component of the inventory management system that can be tested independently, such as inventory tracking, purchase order management, or sales order management. We are going to design test case to verify the inspected behavior and functionality of each unit, and we will prepare relevant and representative test data for unit testing. Then, to ensure that the data cover different scenario, boundary condition, and potential error case. Next, for the data maintenance, it will update and maintain unit tests as the inventory management system evolves. Number two is integration testing. For the integration testing, verify the correct interaction and data exchange between different components, system, and module within the inventory management system. In the context of a retail store inventory management system, integration testing ensures seamless communication and functionality across various interconnected components. Here are the key steps and considerations for performing integration testing. Firstly, identify integration point where the data or functionality is shared between different components or systems. Example of integration point may include the point of sale system, supplier database, financial system, or external API. Second, define integration scenario that represent different interaction between the inventory management system and the external system. For each scenario, identify the input, expected output, and the specific functionality being tested, and prepare test data that simulated real-world scenario for each integration point. Include a variety of data sets that cover different use cases, including valid and invalid data. Integration testing plays a crucial role in ensuring that the inventory management system effectively integrated with external systems and providing accurate and reliable data for the retail store inventory management system and also for the inventory management processes. Next is implementation. Here an implementation of an inventory management system for a retail store. Number one is a system overview. The inventory management system is designed to track and manage the inventory of product in a retail store. It provides functionality for inventory tracking, purchase order management, sales order management, reporting, and user management. Number two is a key features. Key features has a inventory tracking, which is a track product information including name, SKU, description, price, quantity on hand, and location, and also update inventory quantity based on sale, purchase, and return. Next is a purchase order management, which is create purchase order for restocking inventory, manage supplier information including contact details and pricing agreement, receive and update inventory quantity based on received shipment. And then next is a sales order management, that is a create sales order for customer purchase with calculate total order value including tax and discount. And the last one is a reporting, which is a general report on inventory level, sales purchase order, and financial performance. Next, analyze trend, identify popular product, and track profitability. And number three is user interface, which is we have a inventory management, which provide a searchable and filterable product list with detail like name, SKU, price, and quantity. And it enable adding, editing, and deleting product information. And number two is a purchase order management, which is it allow creation, editing, and cancellation of a purchase order. Display a list of open purchase order and their status and provide notification for delay or pending shipment. And number four is the last one, which is a security. Security implement authentication and authorization mechanism to ensure secure access to the system. And we also encrypt sensitive data like password and financial information.
Hi everyone, my name is Grace Pastor Hui and my number metric is 01DDT21F1052. So today I'm going to present our mini project tool of the system analysis and design, and I'm from DTT N5, and our lecturer is Encik Muhammad Asidik Chur Ahmad. So let's start. So this is the instructions, and I will take the part of limitations. So while the proposed inventory management system aims to enhance the retail store's inventory management process, it's important to consider the following limitations. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 limitations. So let's start with the first one: initial implementation efforts. So implementing an automated inventory management system requires time, resource, and potentially significant changes to existing process. So adequate planning and allocations of resource will be crucial to ensure a smooth transitions. So the second one is integration challenge. So integrating the inventory management system with existing system such as the point of sale or accounting systems may pose technical challenge. The compatibility issues, data synchronization, and potential downtime during the integration should be considered and addressed. So the third one is technology and dependencies. So the effectiveness of the system may depend on the reliability and compatibility of the underlying technology infrastructure. So any technical limitations or issues related to hardware, software, or network infrastructures may impact the system's performance and functionality. Moreover, the data accuracy and quality is one of it. So the accuracy and the quality of data inputted into the system are vital for its effectiveness. So human errors such as the incorrect data entry or a failure to update information promptly can lead to inaccurate inventory levels and affect decisions making process. Furthermore, there are training and user adoptions. The successfully implementation of the inventory management system relies on user adoptions and effective training of staff members. Resisting to change or inadequate training may hinder the system adoptions and utilization, affecting its overall efficiency and effectiveness. So next is cost and maintenance. The implementation and maintenance of an automated inventory management system involve costs, including software license, hardware upgrades, and ongoing support. Adequate budgeting and planning should be considered to ensure the system's sustainability and long-term viability. So it is essential to recognize the address these limitations during the planning and implementation phases of the project to mitigate risks and maximize the benefits of the automated inventory management system. Regular monitoring, feedback collections, and continuous improvement strategies should be implemented to address any limitation that arise over the time. I think that's all I want to say, and I will pass it to uh, Najiha. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Nur Najah binti Muhammad Sri, and my registration number is 01DDT21F1103. So for the conclusion, in conclusion, this mini project 2 aims to conduct a preliminary analysis of the current system and identify system requirement for an inventory management system. Throughout the execution of the project, we thoroughly examine the existing system and analyze its input, output, process performance, and control requirement. This system should be able to gather information about ordering new stock from suppliers, including the supplier's name and contact information, the date of delivery, the expected amount, and type of item, and the purchase order that should be provided to confirm the order details, such as the item quantity, price, and term of sale. Information about the customer return, such as the reason for the process, the quantity and the type product being returned, as well as customer information, should be able to be entered into the system. Besides that, the processing of this system needs to ensure that it can fill customer order efficiently and quickly. The product information, such as product description, price data, and supplier information, must be managed by the system. This processing should ensure that the company product inventory is correct and current. The system must be secure and equipped with robust security mechanisms to safeguard sensitive data and prevent from unauthorized access. This performance criterion should guarantee the safety of the business inventory data from theft, hacking, or other security problems. There shouldn't be many technical issues with this system. Last but not least, we review the current system and identify the essential system requirement for an inventory management system. These requirements serve as a foundation for the development of or improvement of an
effective and efficient system. By understanding the input, output, process, performance, and control requirement, stakeholders can make informed decisions and implement a robust inventory management solution. So that's all from us. Thank you.